Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and right now I am going to show you how to order with cash on the delivery on this Temu. So here guys, the first thing you need to do here is to open your Temu on your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. And then now you can browse the product you want to buy. And once you have found it, you just need to tap on the add to cart. So here. So next is you can add more items before you check out. And then when you are ready, guys, you just need to tap the cart icon and proceed to checkout. So make sure, guys, your delivery address is complete and accurate. And at the payment section, guys, you can choose cash on delivery. So this option is only available in selected countries and regions. So if you don't see it, it might not be supported in your area. So here, as you can see in this video, I am going to check this out. So here you can see here the different payment methods. And once everything looks good, guys, you just need to tap the place order. And then your order will be confirmed and you'll pay the delivery person in cash once it arrives. And that's how easy it is to order with cash on delivery on Temu. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.